Okay, so today we are discussing the side splitter theorem, all right, which is 7.5J1. So the I can statement, I can find the lengths of segments using proportional relationships in triangles resulting from parallel lines. So your two new vocabulary words are side splitter theorem and corollary to the side splitter theorem. All right, so in this case, it says we have pretty much three triangles here. This proportional relationships exists if, in this case, BC is parallel to DE. Then you have AB over BD equals AC over CE. Now, can you use this for everything? Not really, but you can use it for just the sides. That's why they call it side splitter. You can't use it for DE or BC. Okay, so I'm gonna write that down. Can't use for BC or DE. That's very important. If you have to solve for BC or DE, you have to go back to your proportional relationships. Okay? Like the two similar triangle thing where you would do like ABC with ADE. Okay? Questions on that one? Yeah.
What's the bottom orange one on the right?
That's a B.
BD and then CB?
CE. Yeah. Sorry. It's a little weird today. All right, anybody else? Any other questions? All right, let's take a look at this first example. So it says find AB. So I'm just going to state that AB is X. And I'm going to apply that side splitter theorem. Since I have BC and DE are parallel. So I'm going to have X over 10 equals 12 over 8. Someone tell me, what does X equal here? What'd you get? 15. Solve for the next one on your own.
Actually, no, it does kind of like yeah, that's true. Yeah. I think more because you're going and nibble on my lawn. So no funny, I could see. That boat.
Okie dokie, artichokes. Apparently we have an answer. Someone tell me, what was VZ? What was it? 12.5. Very good. What if I wanted a more exact answer than that? What would I say? Who remembers from last week? No. What if it says to give me an exact answer? Would a decimal work in this case? You have to do an improper fraction. So I'm just reminding you of that, okay? You could also have 25 over 2. That would be the final answer also. Okay? Huh? At some point, yeah. That's why we're going over it now. Okay. Last chance. And then we're going to separate. It's not just you guys. I'm waiting. Thank you. You guys are definitely proving to me you need to see the chart. So I think I'm gonna handle that today. All right, so if SR equals 2, QR equals 8, ST is X, and TP is X plus 3. So again, we're dealing with the sides. We could still apply the side splitter theorem. We can have 2 over 8 equals, in this case, X over X plus 3. This gives us 2 times X plus 3 equals 8X. Distribute and let me know, what does X equal here? Who's got it? What does X equal here? What'd you get? 1. Okay. So that's not the final answer though. They're asking, what is TP? What does TP equal? 4. So be careful again with directions, okay, guys? Just a reminder. All right, PO. All right, now in this case, we have LM and MN. So that's real easy to set up. Oops, shouldn't put it down there, sorry. So I'm definitely going to have 2 over 4. But I'm setting that equal to, well, we only have this whole thing, but we need the parts. How are we going to find the parts? Someone tell me. Well, they want us to find PO, so I'm going to mark that with an X. What does that mean for LP? Yep, or X minus 9, right? All right, so here I'm going to have X minus 9 over X. I want you guys to solve from there. Let me know, what does X equal? Oh, wait, Izzy, you were right. It's 9 minus X. Whoopsie, sorry. Yeah, you're right. I made a mistake. Let me fix that.
I'm so smart.
You are. Didn't doubt it for a minute. Sorry about that. Not thinking. There we go. It's supposed to be 9 minus X. My fault.
X equals 6. I already started. Yes, I did. I already started. X equals 6. PO is 3. But PO equals either 3 or 6. I'm gonna say 6, but it's no longer. PO equals 1.
Perfect. X equals 6. I heard it a bunch of times now.
Yeah, there's no way you didn't.
Yeah, X equals 6. Good job. All right. I want you guys to take a look. This should be mostly review. So EH. Okay, so this is the situation I was telling you about where you have to solve for this bottom. You cannot use side splitter because there's nothing over here. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to solve for this one on your own, and then I want you to solve for this one on your own and see if you can tell the difference, okay? Go ahead. I'll give you a couple minutes.
Wait, don't you just do 15 plus 9 and then 40 and then you do 24. So 24 squared equals 40 squared. Or yeah, equals. Wait, no. Why? Wait, DG. I know, but we aren't finding DG. We don't need it. We're finding E equals 2.
We have to find DG first.
What's 15 times 4?
15 times 40.
I don't get it.
I know how to do this. I know how to do this. So let's hear.
The whole length. Shrink
So at 15.
If he says over, I can't.
Sorry, I was mistaken. I know, it's 25.
Where'd you get 25?
You guys did it too high. You simple-minded. All you have to do is 24 over 40 equals 69.
24. 24 over 40 equals 15.
Oh, no.
Yes, it is.
He's on to do.
Yes, I am.
No, but he's on to something.
It's, I'm done.
No, he's right. He's right. Yeah, he's on to something.
It wasn't fun with my intellectual.
Yeah.
You're not.
You're on the FX?
This is my.
What's going on? What?
Oh, it's just for human geography. I don't want to.
It's A equals. See, I'm already on number 2. There's something on number 1.
I mean, I'll like hand answer
that
one.
it, so I'm safe.
But are we supposed to do the U trial?
Yeah, we're supposed to do both.
Oh, okay.
Wait, yeah.
Oh,
It's not New York. I know.
So
Well, no, it's like.
What question?
Yeah, did you put pass in? Sorry.
Oh, we had like 2 questions.
Yeah, you can start it. Go. Whew, there we go. Perfect.
I thought it was due on Friday, so I was like, you never even finished watching the video. Alright, well, I'm literally not doing nothing. I was like falling asleep.
No, it's Robin.
That's like when my nap time is. It's like on weekends, I take naps around like 1 o'clock. And that class would really during my nap time, so
No, I.
try to go to bed. I try to go to bed and I
X equals
Wake
6.
up.
wake up.
Oh my
Right
God.
on.
Am I smart?
2 for 2.
Guys, there's I probably have to like 30 times.
All right, anybody still working on these two? Anybody? All right, 2 people. Any volunteers? Well, also, did I say Yes, you have to do it on the board. Evan, go for it. You can do example 5. Who's got the U try? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Rachel, you're up.
I'm pretty sure they're so I'm not-
Well, it just sparks discussion. Go ahead. Huh? Okay. So when you're done going up, okay?
I just can't walk up. I can sit.
I'm not sure if I couldn't figure out.
If you have grades after third grade.
Okay, so remember, because you're solving for this is inside
I had them off.
it's similar triangles, you see what I mean? So that's the only.
Okay, I lost all my deep ones.
So in this case, you would do like,
I mean, I was a year. I was
you do like small triangle, big triangle. Yeah. Yeah. And then solve.
No,
Yes.
He was not.
I really need a challenge. I'll play this with my hands.
The first day.
That's the one from the two series video camp. Video like, you seen that one video like it's like an animation No, I haven't. No, I haven't. And you can go out the door and you can like leave the school building. Go to the police station and turn yourself in for harassment. No. Right. I'm gonna show you the directions. You're gonna go there and say that you're harassing.
Okay, hold on, guys. Stay up there. I want to hear your thoughts on this one and how you came to your answer. All right, Evan, you're up first. So what did we get as the final answer? 26 and 2/3. Now, where are you coming up with that?
I thought 9 was like 2/3 of 15.
Okay. So someone help Evan. What would be a good way to address this? Now, first off, is this side splitter theorem? Yes or no? No. So how do we set up the proportion? Who can tell him? Help him out. Evan, phone a friend. Yash, how would you help Evan set this up?
You put 66.
Because I could add the sides and add the sides.
No.
I didn't add this.
You didn't add the other side? Ah, all right. Phone another friend, Evan.
Oh, hi. I got 25. Because 24 over 40 equals 15 over. Solve that.
Yeah, that's it. So write that down, Evan. 15 over x equals 24 over 40. 24 over 40. Remember, you have to add this side. All right, so that ended up being 25. Nice job. All right, Rachel. All right, quiet. When your classmates is speaking. Okay, so Rachel, tell us what you did there.
I did the side splitter.
Did you? No, you didn't. Right? Okay, so if you take a look here, AE, right, is 10, ED is 5. All right, and then we have CD. Let's see. CD, I'm sorry, they give you AB is 12, and you need to find EC. That is not side splitter theorem because you have nothing with BC or DC. Okay? So in this case, she took 5 over x, because that's what you're trying to find, equals 15 over 12. And that gives you, EC ends up being 4. All right, so these last two examples, all right, I cannot stress it enough, is similar triangles, not side splitter. That is the difference. And for those of you at home, please solve for this. EH is 25 here, and EC is 4. Alrighty, questions on this before we move on? All right, let's roll. All right, so let's talk about the corollary. Can someone erase the board for me, please? Izzy, you are like, yes, I'll do it, and then you're like, nah. Izzy, why don't you go up and erase the board for me? Since you did that like 3 times to me today.
If you move seats, I would not care.
Thank you. Good job. All right, so the side splitter theorem corollary. If 3 or more parallel lines intersect 2 or more transversals, then the segments intercepted on the transversals are proportional. So what they're saying here is they're talking about this segment AB, BC, DE, and EF. So it's going to look like this. If AD is parallel to BE is parallel to CF, then you will have AB over BC equals DE over EF. Show of hands, who is still writing this? Okay.
Listen to the process. Where did they get this?
Oh. Dude, you do that.
I'm naming this character.
I know. I'm Cassie.
I'm mysterious.
I'm Cassie. Because the speaking
Oh,
voice
somebody's
is
like,
actually.
that was the damn thing. Somebody's like, who are you?
Yes,
I'm
I'm
nameless.
Yeah,
tough.
yeah.
That's not tough. Why is he trying to be mysterious?
I already signed up for
I'm the nameless character. I did my name.
I know you think you go
I wish I took a big part for extra credit. That's all. After seeing how terribly everyone is at
Anybody still writing?
they can't pronounce anything.
No? Okay. All right, so let's take a look at example 6. So again, these three lines are parallel. So I'm going to set this up as 5 over x equals 3 over 8. Someone tell me, what is the answer there?
No. Here's the math. 40 over 3. This is 40 over 3. 40 over 3.
I think we got it.
World simplest form. Let's go.
And 2 is the fastest.
Yes, you were. No. Nope.
Where's here?
Yeah, you're right.
Did you show your work?
Yeah, we did.
Oh,
Did
we
you
did.
Oh boy, it's like 20 of
No.
All right, who's got an answer for me? You do not have to show it, just tell me. X equals what? 40 over 3, very good. This one has a repeating decimal, so you should probably do 40 over 3. Now, realize your homework tonight is going to probably have it as either or, okay? So just make sure you read directions and you will be fine. All right, example 7. So here we go again. We have 4, which makes this portion what? 6. Pretty easy, right? All right, so this will be 4 over 6 equals 2x minus 10 over 9. Solve for x, please. Don't forget your distributive property.
They feel good or bad.
60 Okay, and you're off.
Hey, what are you doing? Really? Well, oh, X equals like
I got it first.
Oh my god.
Yeah. No, I don't want you to clump up there. No, you don't want that. Ooh. It's right there.
Wait, 6 times
It's like
6 times. Oh my god, I know.
No. You ripped all his hair out to get the tape out. There's more tape in here.
Wait, then add 6 Who might do that already?
We just like her X minutes. Like, no, seriously.
All right, who's got it? What does x equal? 8. Nice job. Questions on that? Does anybody need to see this? No? You need to see it? Okay.
Yeah, I will.
All right. So I cross multiply, which leaves me with 4 times 9, which is 36. And then this is going to be 6 times 2x minus 10. I distribute the 6. So it's going to be 36 equals 12x minus 60. Add the 60. That leaves me with 96 equals 12x. And divide by 12. You should get 8. Okay. Any other questions that I can address on this or the previous problem? All right, I want you guys to do the you try it on your own. And I want you to give example 8 a shot. I'm sorry? Yeah, 8 is the corollary. Oh, example 8? No, that's a straight side splitter. Ignore NU. But the you try is the corollary.
Let's give example 8 a shot.
This is the same thing.
Let me check over your phone.
I got 2 of 10.
Ah, 2 times 8 is not 18.
Oh. You're saying 2 times 8 is not 8. I never said I was a nerd.
Is it x squared minus it?
When did I ever say I was a nerd?
No, you get x times x.
You can't prove that. You can't prove
And
that.
3 times x.
It's only 5.
No proof.
Oh,
That's
because if you do the x squared, then you get 0.
about the cover. Whatever, on about 8.
Negative 2x plus
You
3
know how to
is
I got any points. Oh, it's really funny. But then some dude came around and read This dude walked by and stopped for like 6 seconds.
How?
Wait, no, it's
Watch out. You can't get me. Kevin's a simple-minded fool.
Whoa. Patrick,
I hear it's like a trap.
talking some sass over there.
negative 7.
Wait, why did I have to
We did it. You never.
Like 7 equals, so you have to
What do you mean, oh shucks? You want something else? I mean, like, but now here's the thing, that assignment tonight has review from last week too. So it has the geometric means in there. Do you think that's important?
That's how we back.
So,
Oh, I used to.
Wait, how do you factor one on Friday?
Do you need it for the homework tonight? Yeah. Yes, sir. All right. Shh. All right, let's talk about these. Who wants to go up and do the you try? Cassie, go ahead. You want to do the second one? You can do the second one. Izzy, you want the first? Okay, go ahead. Go for it.
Aiden was wrong. He's the only one who said, why don't factor?
wait.
He's the only one that
So X is actually
72.
Okay, first of all,
Honey,
if you said
you can use these, you know.
I need to use my brain. No, I never was a little tired. Like, you know, you have to
I understand.
I never learned like 7. Yeah, I don't like know. Or 8 or 9.
My son had a swim meet this weekend at Illinois Wesleyan. We left Friday night at like 7, so we went hit traffic. Got there around 8:39-ish. We had to be up at 5 to get him there by 7, so he could eat breakfast and all that. Literally, $300 at least 4 hours of commuting time just to watch my kids swim, maybe 2 minutes.
That's what it is.
Are you right? That's what I got. Good job, Izzy. All right. Okay, this looks good. Izzy, nice job. Cassie, you're missing one little itty bitty thing. What would be that little itty bitty thing? There you go. Good job. So if you take a look at the first one, again, you are just setting this up. She did. Why would she get rid of a negative, Carol? Yeah, it won't work right here, right? If you substitute a -7, you get a negative length. That's not good. That's tisk. No, do not cross go. Do not collect $200. Go directly to jail. Sometimes, but not this one. All right, so in this case, you do 3 over x plus 8, 2 over x plus 2. Oops, should help if I put a 2 there. And you get, in the end, x equals 10. All right, this one ends up being a quadratic. You do not even need to worry about that 11. Okay? So when you set this up, it's x minus 2 over 9 equals 4 over x plus 3. When you cross multiply, you're going to have to use the distributive property here because these two multiply together. In the end, though, you get x equals 6 as your final answer for that because you cannot have the negative answer. All right, questions on this? Anything? Huh? Thank you. All right, get going on your homework. FYI, there's a proof. You're welcome. You're welcome. Now, are you going to have anything that complicated? No, but do we still need to refresh those skills? Yes. As I said before, your blank proof is going to be a similar triangle proof, but I can't find one to put in here, so we're stuck. All right, those of you watching home, have a great day.